natural resource. Water is a basic necessity of a life. It is required by all living things to survive. Without it, life is impossible. We cannot live without water for more than 2 hours. Water is life. That is, it gives life to everything. As when it rains, you can see the earth becomes green and beautiful. It is required by our body also. Therefore, we should not waste the water by simply throwing away. How much water is needed, that much water only you should pour out in the glass. Water is important for the various purposes as drinking, bathing, cleaning, cooking, washing, irrigating field, generating electricity, etc. Water plays an important role inside our bodies too. So in this lesson, we will learn about what is water scarcity, the various problems arising due to it, state of water, water cycle, source of water, groundwater and the cause of depletion of groundwater. Many parts of our country are facing acute shortage of water. Therefore, we can say unavailability of potable or drinking water is water scarcity. The problem of water shortage is increasing day by day. Even in the place where the water shortage is not a problem today, it might become a problem in the future. Therefore, the problem which arises due to the water scarcity is crop production is affected. This may cause insufficient supply of food. People may have to walk miles to fetch water. People have to stand in the long queues to get their daily water. People may drink contaminated or dirty water which can cause waterborne disease like cholera, dysentery and typhoid, etc. People may have to buy the water at high price. Water on the earth is found in the 3 states. In the liquid form, water is present in oceans, rivers, seas, lakes and ponds. In solid state, water is found in ice or snow on the high mountains, glaciers and at the poles. In gaseous form, water is present as water vapor in the air. So children, the water on the earth is always on the move. It circulates between the atmosphere, land and ocean on the earth and in a constant cycle called water cycle. The heat of the sun evaporates the water from ocean, lakes and rivers, etc. Plants also lose large amount of water through their leaves by the process of transpiration. So this remains as a water vapor in the air. The water vapor condenses and forms tiny droplets in the cloud. When the cloud meets cool air over the land, precipitation occurs as rain, hail or snow. The water comes to the land or sea. Some of the rain seeps into the ground. Some of the underground water is trapped between the layers of rocks or clay. This is called groundwater. Sources of water. Rainwater is considered the purest form of natural occurring water. Water is found in a frozen state as a snow. The snow melts and changes into liquid water and flows into the lakes and river. Rainwater also fills river, lakes and pond. Water in river, lakes and pond is not fit for drinking as it may contain the germs and other soluble impurities. Have you ever tasted seawater? Isn't it saline or salty? Yes. The river water flowing into the sea brings with it large quantity of salt which make it saline. A lot of unseen water is hidden as a groundwater. Groundwater is present beneath the earth's surface. Rainwater is the main source of the groundwater. It seeps through the soil to reach the bedrock and it is available to us as a groundwater. people in cities and villages use this groundwater. These groundwaters are drawn from the well, hand pump, tube wells, etc. Groundwater is an important source of water throughout the world. But where does the groundwater come from? It is mainly rainwater that seeps through the soil to reach the bedrock, and it is available to us as a groundwater. The process of seeping of water into the ground is called infiltration. The seeped water collected between the layers of the hard rock. This is called aquifers. Aquifers are like a huge underground lake filled with the gravel, rocks from which the water can be pumped out. The level of the water under the ground is known as water table. Depletion of groundwater. Groundwater depletion is a key issue these days. The major cause of groundwater depletion is rapid rising population and changing lifestyle. Increase in the population has increased the demand of the groundwater. More and more groundwater is being extracted from constructing house, building and factories. Agriculture activities. Increase in the population has also led to the increase in the crop production. For this, more and more wells have been drilled for irrigation. Reducing forest cover. Increase in the population has led to a rapid expansion of urban areas. For constructing more and more houses, the forest cover is being removed. This results in the removal of soil. As a result, less amount of water is seeping into the ground, thereby causing lowering in the water table. Reducing quality of underground water. Sometimes toxic substances get dissolved in the water which may seep under the ground. This may result in the contamination of a groundwater. So children, every drop of water is precious. We have to conserve it. So in this lesson, you learned about we use water for various purposes as bathing, washing and cooking. Water circulates in a constant cycle called water cycle. Water is found in three states: solid, liquid, gaseous. Main source of groundwater is rainwater that seeps ground by the process infiltration. The level of water under the ground is called water table. The major cause of depletion of water are rapidly rising population, agriculture activities, reducing forest covers, reducing the quality of groundwater. We need to manage and conserve groundwater.